Hello students. So as we are discussing about the lesson reaching the age of adolescence. So at the age of puberty, so many changes are going to takes place. So the changes that are going to takes place in the body. So in those, the reproductive phase of life is also the one change that is going to takes place. So already we know that reaching the age of adolescence means the person will be capable of reproduction. So capable of reproduction means the testes and ovaries, they begin to produce their gametes. Means the testes will be able to produce the sperms and the ovaries will able to produce the eggs. So this capacity is going to develop at the age of puberty. So the capacity for the maturation and the production of gametes is lasts for a much longer time in males than in females. So the production of gametes is more in males. So it is little bit less in females compared to the men's. So already we know that the male gamete is sperm and female gamete is egg, and that are produced by the testis and the ovary respectively. So in females, the reproductive phase is going to begin at the age of 10 to 12, that is called the puberty. So that is also same in the boys, that is about 12 or 13, or it may be from 10 also. So that production of the gametes is going to take place up to the 40 to 50 years approximately in the females, whereas in the males it will be almost up to the end of the person's life. But already we know that the baby girl, when she got the birth, already she has many number of the eggs. So only at the age of the puberty, those present eggs are only going to get matured. So the getting of the maturity of the egg is nothing but the maturation. So each month in girls, the ova begin to mature or the egg begin to mature with the onset of the puberty. So one egg matures and is released by one of the ovary once in a month, that is 28 to 30 days. So during this period, the wall of the uterus become thick and it receives the eggs. So when the one egg matures and it is released by one of the ovaries, so in a month only one ovary will release one egg. Any one, two ovaries are there, so among those any one ovary will release one egg. During this period, the wall of the uterus will become thick so as it receives the eggs. So in case if it is fertilized and begins to develop, in case it is fertilized and begins to develop, this results in the pregnancy. So the released egg, if it is fertilized, so that means the pregnancy will start. If the fertilization means, already you know that the fusion of male and female gamete. If the female comes in contact with male sexually, if the transfer of the male gamete is going to take place into the female body, so that is called the fertilization. So if it is takes place, so the pregnancy will results. If the fertilization does not occurs, or if it is not going to take place, the released egg and the thickened lining of the uterus along with its blood vessels are shed off. Means they are going to cut off and they are going to go out. So this causes the bleeding in woman, which is called as the menstruation. So that is called the menstruation. If the fertilization is not going to take place, the released egg and the thickened lining along with the blood vessels are going to release out. That is in the form of the blood, so that is called the menstruation. So this menstruation is going to take place in about 28 to 30 days. 28 to 30 days. So actually it is about 28 days. The first menstruation, when it begins, or when the first menstruation flows, so that is called at the age of puberty, that is called the menarche. So the first flow of the menstrual flow is called the menarche. So that is going to take place at up to the age of 45 to 50 years. So at this age, the menstruation cycle is going to stop, and this stoppage of the menstruation is considered as the menopause. So the menstruation, when it is going to stop at the age of 45 to 50 years, so that is completely considered as the menopause. And this menopause depends on the physical characters of the person. And initially the menstruation cycle may be irregular, so it takes some time to become regular in the beginning. So this is what we consider the reproductive phase of life in the human beings. So that is especially in females. So hope it is clear. If you have any doubts, you can send the message to my WhatsApp number. Thank you and have a nice day.